We're trying to find the ratio of history to math majors. So let's write some ratios as we read the problem. At a certain college, there are twice as many English as history. So English to history is 2 to 1. And 3 times as many English as math. So English to math is 3 to 1. And I want to find history to math. History to math. Okay, well, here's an M. Let me change colors. Here's M. So I need to have an M, and it's actually in the denominator. And over here is an H. But I need to have an H and an M in the same equation. So let's take this first equation and solve it for E. So you can cross multiply. When you got one fraction equals another one, you can cross multiply. That's E equals 2H. Now look what happens. Let's substitute this value of E, this expression for E, over here. E would be 2H over M equals 3 over 1. So now I have my H and my M. But I need to get rid of that 2 in the denominator. So what I need to do is divide both sides by 2. And those 2's cancel. I'm left with H over M equals 3 to 2. So your answer is B.